Welcome back, Curriculum Mappers. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through upgrading AutoCrat. If you had started this mapping process prior to the launch of the newly updated AutoCrat, then your spreadsheet will have to go through the process of updating all of the jobs to the newer version of AutoCrat. And I'm guilty as charged. I haven't actually done this yet, so I thought it'd be a good way to demonstrate this process using real live data. So here I am in my form response sheet. So this is the sheet that AutoCrat produces a Google Doc for and puts it into our curriculum submission folder. So I'm going to go ahead and launch AutoCrat. Now notice how in the old version it props up here to the side. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just click this upgrade to AutoCrat version 3. And notice down here you have till July 5th really, then they're going to force you to do this. So if you're one of those people who likes to kind of control when this thing happens, I highly recommend getting on that soon so you can work out any kinks with this process. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. There's no going back. Okay, we're going to do it. Notice how my screen just blinked, but that's fine because this is our actual sheet that we're going to be working on. It just went to the last. I have a lot of other sheets down here that serve a different purpose. And don't panic if you see this. It says like, oh my gosh, my jobs aren't here. So in a few short seconds, it'll ask you, do you want to import your old jobs? And okay. So what this will do is upgrade your AutoCrat jobs from version 2 to version 3. We get a confirmation saying it has been successful. And then what I always like to do is go in through all of the steps because there are some new features and I want to make sure it's going to behave the way that I want it to behave. So I'm just going to go through. Yes, the job name is good for me. I'm still using the same template. That's fine. I want to make sure all of my tags have mapped to their proper column. That looks good. Now notice here how in the old AutoCrat you have these $ for the merge tags. I'm going to go ahead and change this to the tags that are hidden behind this drawer. So it looks like I'm doing course, unit title, teacher. So I'm actually just going to bring over the course. Just click on it and then I can paste it. And then I'm going to do a space, dash, and I'm going to find the unit title. And we'll do a dash in there, a space. And then I'm going to actually put in the teacher. So you may have a different naming convention, but this is how I have been doing mine. So just to keep it consistent, I'm going to keep it that way. Great. So I've updated these merge tags. I still want to use it in classic mode, which is one document per row of data rather than one document for all of the rows, so which is a cool feature of the new AutoCrat. Yes, I still want them to go into the unit planners folder, so that's good. All right. And I'm not going to deal with any dynamic folder references. I don't have any specific conditions. Share doc, yes, it has to be editable. Allow collaborators to reshare. This should be a yes. I want my teachers to be able to share their units with other teachers to work on them together. And I don't really need to utilize this, but I am going to change this. I hadn't been using the co-teacher merge tag, so I'm going to get rid of that altogether. The username is, of course, the email address of the person requesting the form. So I'm just going to copy that one, paste it there. And again, I have to do the same process here, switching out the course, unit title, and teacher. So I'm going to come back to course, copy that, paste it, space, dash, space, unit title, space, dash, space, and then the last one was teacher. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and just back this up. Okay, that's good. And then I'm happy with just the simple message saying attached is your requested unit template. So I'm going to click next. Run on form trigger, yes. Run on time trigger. I'm just going to have this run just in case it misses the form trigger, which it's usually pretty accurate, but maybe every 2 hours I'll just run this. We're at the point now where most of the units have already been requested, so this is probably a feature of my map that won't be used as heavily in the future. And I'm going to go ahead and save. And we're done. So I have successfully upgraded to AutoCrat version 3 on my own terms. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.